What's up guys? All good? My name is Jack. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the TikTok ad strategy accelerator before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the TikTok ad strategy accelerator works. What is TikTok ad strategy accelerator? This is a specialized video course designed to teach you strategic thinking for TikTok advertising beyond tutorials. It equips you with a tested framework through a blend of psychology, campaign architecture, creative strategy, metrics analysis, and budget optimization. The course helps both beginners and seasoned marketers confidently run profitable TikTok campaigns. Because it's developed by an official TikTok partner, the material aligns with platform best practices and cutting-edge ad formats, including Smart Plus, Shop Ads, and Shopify integrations. How does it work? Enroll and Access, one-time payment of $147 plus VAT grants instant access. You're added to a private student portal with video modules, templates, and prompts. Study the blueprint, follow module sequence from foundational strategic thinking to hands-on campaign frameworks. Watch and implement. Each video is rich with actionable steps, accompanying templates turn ideas into scripts or ad plans. Apply and test, launch low-budget campaigns using provided frameworks. Use prompts to refine creative and optimize based on real performance signals. Scale and learn, use the community for feedback, collaborate, and iterate. Scale what works using decision frameworks to grow conversions. The structure doesn't force you into one rigid path, it teaches you how to think strategically, so you can course correct fast and scale effectively.